Hey, sing with me. Let's go! I am brave. I am brave. I am brave. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Jesus is with me every day. I am able. I am able. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. God's love lives inside of me. Whenever I feel afraid, I remember I'm not alone. Jesus Christ is with me. He teaches me how to rule with love. God loves me. Yes, He does. God helps me. Yes, He does. I am strong. I am able. He teaches me how to rule with love. I am brave. I am brave. Yes, I am. God's love lives in me. God's power lives in me. I am brave. I am brave. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I am able. I am loved. This should feel big. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. I am able. God strengthens me. Jump up high. Touch the sky. God helps me to be brave. Wave your hands. Turn around. Jesus fills my heart with joy. And next, please welcome Grace. Same as before. Same as before. Hello, everyone. My name is Grace. I can